How you doing? Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Russo of Boston, Massachusetts, and we're here today aboard the brand new Galeon 470 Sky. So come aboard and we'll do a quick walkthrough. One of the best features of the boat is the fold down port side. It extends the boat an additional 3 feet, 2 bar stools, and an open bow. This boat also features a SKYDECK, which has full controls as well as seating, and with the touch of a button you can shut that off and it closes in about 5 minutes. We've got a great cockpit area here, seating for at least 12 with the great overhang. Moving forward, you've got a door that opens the entire way, so this opens up the cabin right to the cockpit area. You've got an up galley, refrigerator, stove, fully appointed. Storage is everywhere. You've got a pop-up TV here. This does electronically go down. You've also got full windows that open up, so you've got the boat port to starboard, and you can completely open this boat. Here you've got a dinette, great table that opens up. You've got a really beautiful helm here, all one piece, no seams, fully appointed with Ray Marine electronics, bow thruster, and this has Volvo diesels in it. Coming down to the cabins, you've got a starboard side bunk, and it's a real bunk room where you could fit 2 adults. You've got your guest stateroom forward, and you have your day head here on the port side with its separate shower stall. Coming aft, you've got your master stateroom, which is full beam, separate shower stall and head. And a beautiful master, again, full beam, full hull side windows. You've got great natural light inside of here. Again, we're aboard the brand new 470 Sky Galeon. This boat is debuting here at the New York Boat Show, and this will also be coming back to Boston for the boat show, which starts on the 9th, and that runs for 9 days. That will be at the BCEC down in Boston, Massachusetts. Come on down, and I'd love to give you a tour of the boat. Dave Barodinelli, Russo Marine, MarineMax Boston. My cell phone is 401-569-3874. We look forward to seeing you.